Hello everybody, my name is Corgan, and welcome to my Firework Stash 1.2. And the reason why it's called 1.2, and you're like, this is just a remake of your last Firework Stash. But there's one thing different. Last Firework Stash, I had not so much. This time I have a lot. And when I mean a lot, I mean oversized. So, yeah. First, we're starting off with Sunspots by TNT. I did light off a couple. It's fine. If you take the red stuff off, it's actually like spins and then goes up in the air and stuff. I got this from my dad. Jumbo rocket fountain. He likes to hold those in them. Two. This is really fragile. I'm using like a really rigid stand. And 2 crackling salutes. I like crackle. Pretty cool. Leftover neon sparklers. They aren't really neon. They're just like sparklers. They kind of rip you off. Short stack. Kind of like Purple Rain, but. So I had all TNT. TNT Crazy Fun Pack. Got this for like $2. That. Nice. Let's keep. Let's stay on that. TNT track. KSL. Got this for like $1. Puppets. We got like 4. $1 each. Okay, now we're not going to be doing TNT unless I find them. Actually, no, that's fine. TNT. Cannon worms. Just like a bunch of snakes, so it's cool. Now. We're gonna go into the other kind of stuff. Killer bees. Got that in the slime it. Two morning glories. These were like $1 each. We got a bunch of crackling balls and just got 4 crackling balls by like a glorious fire brand, and then we got another. Doing this to my mom and dad's room because this is like the only quiet place. And 2 TNT. So it's 6 in total. Did I do 5? Top tier tubes. 1 was left over, I think. Was it? Yeah. Crimson Fountain. No way better stepping on the stairs. Above the upstairs. 4-inch value pack. It comes with Snowflake, Purple Storm, Happiness Fountain, and the Cuckoo, I think. These are all like Purple Storm is based off of Purple Rain. So I got it because my mom loves those balloons. Golden flowers fountain. We got 2 assortments. I'm gonna do my mom and dad's. So yeah, this is my mom and dad's. So first we got The Swarm by Glorious. I'm not gonna read it, but you can pause and read that. It's really long. I'm just showing you that because how long the performance is. This one, which is my favorite, Crazy Clown. I love clowns. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna tilt you guys up a little bit. That's good. Yeah, you can. One thing that's cool about the end of the performance is it says smiley face, ending with a smiley face. I don't know what that means. Like, it's kind of impossible unless it's like a cake, but it's safe and sound. So. Classic show. I got that in the assortment. Glorious Grandson. This one's funny. It's American Dream by American Dream. American Dream. Performance is right here. Top of Fancy by Cherry Bomb. All these big fountains are in assortments. I'm gonna get some graham cakes when we go. Well, I'm gonna get some cakes when we go to Washington, which is gonna be on Saturday. Today's Thursday. Cutting Fire, Cherry Bomb, Lightning Strike, Performance. This one's by Glorious. Yep. Extreme Fireworks and Neighbor Hater. I mean, not Neighbor Hater, sorry. Different Firework. Extreme Fireworks and Neighborhood Nightmare. These are actually 2 different brands but have the same performance. Yeah, look for yourself. You can need those to find out. Not really wanting to be reading. Oh, it's more TNT. Polka dots. I'm gonna read this one because we show it. So Rain Sparkle. The reason why I'm showing them up to the camera and not saying them is because I did one while she said the performances and it's like this. And the way I find sparkling, right? It's sparkling flowers and right. Yeah, so you can't really hear this, so that's why I'm not doing it. Pickle beats. Sparklers. Sea smoke bombs. USA combo firework, low class. More sparklers. Friendship Fountain, the Shogun, and some other band. A pack of 4 Tiger Rolling Fountains by Glorious Fireworks. Sweet Dreams Combo Firework Pack by American Dream, I think. Yeah. Jade Flowers by Glorious. And Butterfly and Silver Flower Fountain by Glorious. Jalapeno Papa by TNT. Focus. See, we hit the 10-minute mark. We have 5 minutes to do this. One TNT smoke balls. So, Caramel Silver Fountain. Oh, yeah, I forgot I had that. 4 Jack in the Box Surprises by American Dream. Also one of my favorite fireworks. Crickets by TNT. This picture. One big combat hand grenade. Cool thing about this is it changes colors. And 2 small ones. Digging the fireworks out. Copy Fun Snaps. I'm sitting on my knees so I can't really tell. But just Copy Fun Snaps, you know. Nobody likes them. Well, I know a couple people. No. On these big. The ground bloom section. 7, I think. 7 or 8 packs of ground blooms by Sky Bacon. 2 by Glorious. 1 was having some problems, so I had to do some plastic cloth, but 2 by Glorious. 4 packs by Red Lantern, I think. Yeah, I think it's like Red Lantern, something like that. And 8 4 packs of Crackling Grounds by, I believe, Red Lantern. Get to the end. A bunch of big smokes. One